All right, how we doing, Bally and family? So I'm inside the 2019 Altima right now, and I've had some questions about how to connect Apple CarPlay. So I'm actually going to show you exactly how to share your display onto the infotainment system on the 2019 Altima. So if you're interested, stay tuned.
Apple CarPlay is a feature that transfers the display and control of some of your iPhone's functions to the vehicle's center display screen. Visit www.apple.com/iOS/CarPlay. Connect your iPhone using the cable that came with your phone to this USB port. A message will appear on the display to confirm whether or not you want to use the Apple CarPlay feature. Touch Yes. After your iPhone is recognized by the USB connection, the vehicle's center display screen will change to a menu of available iPhone's functions. Touch an icon to access that function. Touch this icon on the lower left to return to the Apple CarPlay main menu. To return to normal vehicle functions or menus on the center display, press the menu button. To return to the Apple CarPlay screen, touch the Apple CarPlay icon on the launch bar, or touch Info on the launch bar. Then touch Apps. Then touch Apple CarPlay.